Okay, let's have a look at the Bitcoin market this week. It's actually looking very bullish. Remember, we often talked about this commitment of traders, the COT data, what we refer as smart money. The commercial now is dropping the short contract. The red line represents the short contract, and the long contract they are picking up. So they don't see the need of hedging Bitcoin prices to the downside. In fact, they are buying, which is a very bullish signal on that. Okay, if you'd like to find out more, you can use our link to go to marketmadeclear.com to check out the valuable data yourself. All right, the link is in the description below. Let's have a quick look on the actual Bitcoin prices. Is currently looking to try to break, because yes, we did have a nice breakout, which I've been buying some of the crypto stock and some other crypto. Currently we are ranging in this area, but if we can take off this high, then yes, it will be bullish. It's not uncommon that we have a range like this and then break out. If I may show you a couple of examples, it likes doing that when it breaks and then have a little consolidation and then it breaks higher. So it's not uncommon. Something similar to here too, something similar here. So it likes to break out. And the volume side, buying volume is definitely on the buy side. If you have a look at that, the accumulation, distribution, accumulating is still on the high side. Let's have a quick look on Ethereum. I could be buying some more today or tomorrow. Actually, you see when it's it broke higher last week, I've been buying some around the 1600. Now it's now 17, 18. So I like to accumulate more around this area, and then I'm happy to leave it for a little bit until it cleanly break above the 2150 area. Then yes, that will be me done buying on Ethereum. Okay, Ripple as well is holding quite nicely. I have been buying something around the 50-cent mark, so over 60 cents I will buy a little bit more. Let's see if we can break above that dollar. I'll be done buying on Ripple. Litecoin is another one that I've been buying. Is holding quite nicely. If we can draw another trend line, it's actually holding quite nicely through here. So I've been buying around the 65, so it's too close for me to buy. So I'll probably buy something around above the 74 area. Crypto stock is not looking as bullish just yet. Coinbase relatively still remain quite bullish because the accumulation, although we are selling a bit, but it's still holding relatively well. No issue with that. Won't top up until it cleanly break up off this, maybe about the $90 area, then I'll consider to buy more. But if it dip lower, then yeah, about 40 something, I'll buy pretty much everything around the 40 something dollar. Happy to hold it. Could it drop lower? Maybe, but happy with this price around 47 or above anyway. Other crypto stock is on my list. Do you guys invest in crypto stock as well, rather than just cryptocurrency? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.